Ko Ruapehu te mainga, ko Whangaehu te awa, ko Whangaehu te marae, no te kaupapa Māori o Ngāti Rangi ahau. I've been learning about coming from the river, about the tauranga moana ki te waiamai, e timata ki te Whangaehu. Waiahole's been telling us about the river. She said, hear it, smell it, look for it, and feel it. She told us about the difference from the starting to the ending. Here it was blue and white. The Māori comes up. It's good for your body. At Tangiwai it was yellow, stink. I feel sad because the rotten stinky river, we drink out of it. We drink the water and it makes us feel healthy, but on this water it makes us feel not healthy.
Well, Te Kaupapa Māori o Ngāti Rangi is a kura taiao, which means that we're an environmental school. So as part of our curriculum, it's important for our tamaiti, our tamariki, to learn the significance of our life source, which is our awa, and how it's actually going to impact on them in the future. So what can they do as kaitiaki at a young age to ensure that the lessons and tikanga that our old people have handed down is carried on to the next generation? So the importance of Holly and sharing her knowledge of the awa is that the kids can see it in a tangible sense. So they can see the different colours of the water, they can smell it, they can feel it, and they can, using all those senses, make that informative and constructive decision for themselves and for the future. Because at the end of the day, they're the future of Ngāti Rangi, of our iwi, and they're the ones that carry the mauri for us. And it's really important, like I said, we're a kura taiao, we're an environmental school, to ensure that we are actually doing our part for the environment. Teaching them at kura and the importance of being able to carry that on, because we're an oral people. So knowing karakia and waiata, mō tia pātere, and seeing it in practice helps to cement and scaffold onto whatever they're already learning at kura.